Hi, I'm Nimisha. I have been in ISEC since January 2015, and I have been recruited in the Global Citizen student department. The best part of the department is the culture, a very enriching culture which grows, which concentrates on member productivity and member development. The department has visions to overachieve, and always has been doing so by growing consistently and growing exponentially, and this has been done by constant member engagement, a very important part. So before joining ISEC, I was really not really good with my communication skills, or even my talking to people. But then after coming to this department, I realized the importance of sales, how to pitch about my products, how to convince somebody to actually buy my product. So I actually the department gave me a chance to innovate, opportunity where I can co-create along with my members, and this was done by various forums, various engagement forums along with the department. Yeah, so we had a lot of engagement forums where as members we used to work together. We used to have a cold calling together. So it actually helps you to learn a lot from each other, wherein your TL, your VP, everybody sits together and works for the same cause, and it actually makes you a lot of makes you learn from others and also understand more about the department. And also our department mostly focused on conscious personal growth, and this actually enabled us to achieve our targets and even help us grow, help us in our personal development as well. And it gave us an outlook on how to actually go out there, do everything, go out there and just do everything that you can do, because GCS is one department where you can experiment, where you can innovate so much, and there's so much to do. So the department culture, so the department culture is solely responsible for increasing my experience, and also taking responsible for my personal growth as well.